so we can hang out for 16 hours in real life.
Whoa.
And then I play Hearthstone.
I didn't even think of that.
Someone said, do you fake your hiccups? Bitch, I wish I faked my hiccups because I probably have some underlying disease and this is a symptom of having hiccups. You think I want a hiccup like this? Like, you think I want to be this way? What the fuck? I probably have like literally like gingivitis in my stomach or something. I don't know. That's crazy. What, fake my hiccups? You think I want to be this way? I came out the womb like this. Okay, I gotta add a Soylent. Let me add him. What are you doing today?
I don't know. I just finally started the day. Just woke up.
Wow, good morning, sunshine.
Good morning.
Okay, yes, I know gingivitis is a gum disease, but it was the first thing I thought of. Okay.